Hands going up. Sanjay Jha, you wanted to come in and Charu Pragya. I'm coming to you, Subrashta ji, but Sanjay Jha first.
Navika, I continue to believe that this is a discussion that we should have, and we all need to rise above our petty parochial points. I want to make a point here for your benefit. We are talking about West Bengal, where I think what has happened is going to make this entire country, all of us, hang our heads in shame. There is one thing that surprisingly has not really been debated enough. Do we know that the West Bengal governor had a sexual harassment charge against her? I want to ask, what kind of politics do we have in this country that a constitutional position having such a grave charge continue to be there? And the victim has to go to the Supreme Court. Why can't a suo motu action have been taken by the ruling establishment recommending the dismissal of the governor, or at least removing him from the post till an impartial inquiry happened? So, end of day, this has become an extremely tragic, I would say, situation. And, Navika, when 86 rapes happen a day, and these are reported rapes, we don't even know how many are reported. If you take
that number is 11.
Average,
that number is 11 reported rapes per day, not 6.
Yeah.
It's double that number.
Yeah. So if you're looking at those numbers, as a society, and I'm going to tell everybody who's watching your very well-watched program, we can't, as citizens of this country, and I'm assuming everybody on this panel today is more a citizen than a politician, we cannot just rise periodically when some case is very, very disturbing. I mean, we have to protest about this day in and day
True.
out.
The issue of the Bengal governor, Charu Pragya, you want to respond?
No, I do want to respond. And I am glad Mr. Jha agrees that this is about citizens discussing the plight of women and justice given to them after something horrific happens. Mr. Jha, may I please request you to reach out to your former party, the Congress, and tell Alka Lamba if she is taking a delegation to Badlapur, can she take one to Kolkata as well? Can I please request you to talk to a person who describes himself as a senior politician, who's a member of the Rajya Sabha, from the Congress party? He's happy to defend RG Kar Hospital after a situation like this. I think if you're really here as a citizen, take note of this and speak to your former party. Speak to Rahul Gandhi. Tell him why is it that discussing the rape in Kolkata is a distraction. Tell Alka Lamba that if she's concerned about the plight of girls and children in one city, she should be equally concerned about what happened to the girl in RG Kar College in Kolkata, not just that night.